Managing check-in on the desktop allows you to see total attendees, a live feed of those that have checked in on the account, staff performance, and who is using the app to do the check-in process over time. You can then add filters down below by check-in status, ticket type, and check-in. You can then see seats and registrations and organize it in a different view. You can then click into each of the individual attendees. You can see the ticket details, check-in status, check-in time, and method. Clicking into the check-in allows you to see the registration, form submission, payment details, and ticket add-ons. You can then see each one of the individual ticket seats. Whether or not this is checked in, you can pull up the PDF or QR code for the check-in, or you can manually click on check-in. This will then check in this attendee, and then you can see the staff performance as manual or mobile app, and a live feed of those that have checked in to the account.